Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This Yaskawa Varispeed Spindle drive came to ERD from a machining customer and needed maintenance due to its age. We replaced all of the old components and repaired the power supply too before powering up the driver, which is attached to one of our linear loads. These machine tool spindle drives are aligned to very specific motors, so we try not to adjust them to our motors out of convenience for the customer. At ERD, our technicians have the experience to properly test and evaluate the performance of drivers, even without having its special motor on hand. ERD has over 25 years of experience in the field of motor control repair and are trusted by hundreds of machine shops, so reach out today for your quote.